BJP Manipur Pradesh strongly opposed the alleged claim made by the Congress party in connection with ongoing crisis in Manipur. Addressing media in a press conference held at BJP office yesterday, spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Moirangthim Asnikumar Singh, said that former Chief Minister Okram Ibulbi Singh allegedly blaming BJP government as an instigator of present crisis is very unfortunate. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibulbi in some media has claimed the involvement of hidden agenda in Manipur's current crisis. Such statement is baseless and unacceptable. He condemned while stating that understanding the current atmosphere of conflict and sentiment of the people, BJP is committed to resolve the issue amicably. Singh urged the Manipur Congress to reflect on their past actions, suggesting that the root cause of the current conflict lies in the short-sighted policies pursued by the Congress party during its tenure, prioritizing electoral victories over the long-term development of Manipur. Under the leadership of the BJP government, Singh asserted Manipur is progressing towards a path of inclusive growth, supporting young entrepreneurs, promoting financial inclusion, and empowering women, children, and artisans. Questioning the Congress party's track record, Singh challenged their contributions to Manipur's development, alleging that under their rule, the state faced frequent disruptions, rampant corruption, extortion, and mistreatment, exacerbated by the shadow of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. He further allegedly extrajudicial killings during the Congress regime.